My name's Fajar Raja. I am the director of the customer adoption practice at Trustmarque Ultima. We do everything adoption and change management related across organizations. So Trustmarque and Ultima have recently merged. They were both traditional resellers. So we have partnerships with vendors and we resell their products to other organizations. But my side of it is working directly with end users to help them implement the technology that they're buying and ensure that they're getting the most value out of it. I use AI every single day in both my personal and my work life. A lot of the customers that I speak to, they're still at the persona mapping and use case mapping stage to actually understand where it would benefit them best. And this is why change management and actually speaking to end users is so important. You don't have to be a technical person to use AI. You don't need to be a super user, but what I will say is you do really need to understand why it would benefit you and how it would benefit you specifically for your use cases and what you do day to day. What is it that you want specifically for your specific business function area or your specific job role? And that's the most important thing to understand, because that will then inform how you prompt the tool. In some ways, it can be used as a search engine, but again, you're not maximizing the value of the product. It's such a powerful tool, especially, for example, if we're talking about M365 Copilot, that hooks into your organizational context. So it hooks into your teams, your Outlook. So there's so much more that you can ask it to do for you just in terms of finding documentation. That's why it's so important to have adoption and change management. Is all about that collaboration, talking to one another. And people are using it in different ways. There are some people that are super users and are trailblazing with it and know how to make agents and are kind of full steam ahead with it. Thinking holistically about all of the elements that you need, setting up your groundwork properly, that's the key difference, is organizations that are thinking about all of the moving parts to make it a success, rather than rushing to just jump onto using AI without thinking about all the elements that go into it.